A door is more than just an entry point into your Miami Gardens home. It's a key component of security, energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. Because of South Florida's hot, humid climate and seasonal storms, doors in this region face more wear and tear than in many other parts of the country. That's why a properly installed door is essential for long-term performance. While a door may look sturdy on the surface, its true durability depends heavily on the quality of the installation. Here's why Miami Gardens homeowners benefit from choosing professional door installation and how it directly contributes to longer door lifespan. Proper alignment prevents wear and damage. One of the most common problems with poorly installed doors is improper alignment. A door that hangs unevenly or rubs against the frame can quickly develop issues such as warping, difficulty closing loose hinges, cracked frames, air and water leaks. Professional installers ensure that the door is perfectly aligned within the frame, distributing weight correctly and reducing stress on the hardware. This helps prevent early deterioration and keeps your door operating smoothly for years. Strong, weather-resistant sealing protects against Florida humidity. Miami Gardens homeowners know how unforgiving the local climate can be. Humidity, salt air, and seasonal storms all contribute to door damage over time. A professionally installed door includes proper sealing and weatherproofing, which plays a crucial role in long-term durability. Professional installation ensures tight weatherstripping, correctly sealed gaps, proper flashing and waterproof barriers, door materials that resist swelling and moisture. These steps prevent water intrusion, one of the biggest threats to door longevity in coastal and humid regions. Better security through correct hardware installation. The strength and performance of a door depend largely on the hardware supporting it. Misaligned locks, loose hinges, or weak strike plates not only reduce security but also cause wear that shortens a door's lifespan. Professional installers use the right hardware and attach it properly to reinforce locking mechanisms, hinges and screws, threshold plates, deadbolts and strike plates. This ensures that the door stays firmly anchored in place and can withstand frequent use without loosening or sagging. Preventing air leaks reduces strain on doors and frames. Air leaks may seem like a small inconvenience, but they can contribute to door damage over time. When outside air constantly flows through gaps, it exposes the door to moisture and temperature extremes that gradually weaken its structure. A professional installation eliminates these weak points, ensuring better energy efficiency, reduced expansion and contraction, longer-lasting frames and materials. With consistent indoor conditions, your door experiences less stress from shifting temperatures and humidity levels. Correct sizing ensures proper operation and longevity. Installing a door is not as simple as fitting it into an opening. Even a slight size mismatch can cause significant long-term problems. Professional installers take detailed measurements to guarantee the door fits perfectly. A proper fit prevents jamming and sticking, reduces frame distortion, ensures smooth opening and closing, helps maintain the structural integrity of the door. A well-fitted door lasts much longer because it isn't forced to work against friction or uneven pressure. Longer lifespan means better long-term value. A professionally installed door doesn't just last longer, it performs better throughout its life. Homeowners enjoy fewer repairs, lower maintenance costs, better protection during storms, the more energy-efficient home, long-term durability. In Miami Gardens, where climate challenges are unavoidable, professional installation helps ensure that your investment pays off for years to come. Final thoughts: upgrading your door is a worthwhile investment, but the real value comes from having it installed correctly. Professional installation is essential for maximizing your door's lifespan, performance, and resilience in Miami Gardens' demanding climate. From proper sealing and alignment to secure hardware and precise fitting, experts ensure that your door stands strong against heat, humidity, and daily use. If you want a door that looks great, protects your home, and lasts for many years, choosing professional installation is the smartest step you can take.